Devotees across India celebrated Durgashtami with deep devotion, honoring goddess Mahagauri, the eighth form of Durga. The day marks a key moment in Navratri, symbolizing purity, strength, and the triumph of good over evil. President Draupadi Murmu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, and several other leaders extended their heartfelt greetings to the people. On the sacred occasion of Durgashtami, a huge number of devotees are thronging to offer prayers and darshan of Devi Durga at puja pandals in Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, and other cities in Odisha. Puja pandals across the state are showcasing diverse themes, including iconic buildings to holy temples. Odisha Police Recruitment Board announced the postponement of the written examination for the post of Odisha Police Sub-Inspector, which was originally scheduled to be held on October 5 and 6. The board said the new dates will be notified shortly. The Narendra Modi government has appointed Shirish Chandra Murmu as Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India for a 3-year term. Murmu, a native of Odisha, will succeed M. Rajeshwar Rao, whose extended tenure ends on October 8. India welcomed the United States President Donald Trump's announcement of a comprehensive plan to end the Gaza conflict. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that it provides a viable pathway to long-term and sustainable peace, security, and development for the Palestinians, Israelis, and the broader West Asian region. The price of gold reached a record high, a largest monthly surge in 14 years amid concerns over a potential US government shutdown and rising expectations for further Federal Reserve rate cuts. After Mahatma Gandhi's statue at Tavistock Square in London was vandalized, it has drawn sharp condemnation from the High Commission of India, which described the act as shameful and an attack on the ideals of peace and non-violence. Veteran BJP leader Vijay Kumar Malhotra passed away at the age of 93. Malhotra served as 5-time MP and 2-time MLA from Delhi and was a prominent face of the party in the national capital. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other senior leaders expressed their condolences at the death of Malhotra. Bengaluru's Aishwarya Pise has scraped history by becoming the first woman from Asia and India to win her class at the BP Ultimate Rally Raid Portugal 2025, the fourth round of the FIM World Rally Raid Championship. The ICC Women's ODI World Cup 2025 will kick off today with the opening match between hosts India and Sri Lanka at the Barsapara Cricket Stadium in Guwahati.